Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I know, why are you in front of your window again? Well, let me tell you, my tripod literally broke right before I started filming, so we're back in front of the window. We have lighting as our background today, and yeah, but I know a lot of you will appreciate not having the boring wall as a background. But anyways, I'm making up for it. Today's video is actually a giveaway video, so whoop whoop. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You obviously have to be subscribed to be able to enter the giveaway, and give this video a thumbs up if you like giveaway videos. And yeah. And I know the lighting is like super bright. I tried my hardest to try and like not make it so bright, but this is what we're working with today. I apologize about the lighting, it's very bright, but we're gonna just see what happens in this video. If it turns out like crap, it's okay. Somebody's gonna win a palette. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is the palette that I'm gonna be giving away in today's video, and I will put all the details at the end after I'm done. But this is the palette. It's the Essentials palette that we just got in BoxyCharm, and it's so pretty. So if you have BoxyCharm and you did not get this palette, now you have a chance. And if you don't have BoxyCharm and you want this palette, here's your chance. So I'm going to do an eye look today using this palette, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to take the shade here called Sand, and I'm just going to put that all over my crease. And I'm going to bring it down and like create a V. So here is the shade Sand in my crease and V down at the bottom. And I'm just gonna do this to the other side because this video will be really long if you saw me do both sides, so I'm only gonna focus on this side. So now that I'm done with the shade Sand, I'm gonna take the shade Terracotta, and I'm only going to put that in my crease about halfway to the end. And I'm gonna just bring the color slightly below my crease shade. Like that. And then so these shades aren't too harsh, I'm going to just blend them ever so slightly together. Okay, so now that they're blended, I'm gonna take the shade Dusty Rose, and where I left off with the orange shade about here, I'm going to add that to the other half of my eye. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm just gonna blend. Okay, so now I really want to add some depth to it, so I'm going to try using the shade Cinnamon to kind of warm up my outer corner. And I'm just gonna add that where I V'd it out. And I'm just gonna tap it in there because I'm going to blend it. Okay, and now I'm just going to blend it. You know, I'm not feeling it as much as I had hoped for, so I'm actually going to use the shade Black and do the same thing because I really want to make it kind of dark and kind of smoky. So you know what, it's time to blend. Okay, yeah, this is gonna work out a lot better than the brown. And it's okay if it looks like butthole right here, because we're going to be putting a shimmer over that, so it doesn't really matter. As long as it blends and looks really good up here, then we're pretty Gucci. Okay, and now that we have blended to high heavens, it's time to pick a shimmer shade, and I really want to use the shade Emerald here. It just speaks to me on like some kind of like level, okay? So I want to use this shade for sure. So since it's one of the darkest shades, besides Plumberry, I'm not really into the purple. I'm gonna use the Emerald and put it on just the outer portion of my eye. You can use a brush if you would like, because brushes usually work really well. Ooh, and it's really soft. But I prefer fingers when you use these types of shades, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just going to focus that on the outer portion of my eye. And I am not taking this color into my crease at all. I'm keeping it on the lid. Okay, maybe it's going to my crease a little bit, but it's okay. Beautiful. What I really like about this palette is it just screams fall vibes for sure, but you know, I want to brighten this up just a little bit more, so I'm going to go in with the gold shimmer here, and I'm going to focus that on the inner part of my eye and kind of meet it up with the Emerald shade. What's really cool about these is they are really subtle as soon as you put them on the lid, but you can build them up and make them a lot more like wha-bam in your face, which I'm sure if you use a wet brush, it'll just pop it even more, but I am not really familiar with that, so I don't do that. I just stick with my finger, but yeah. So now that the gold shade is on, I'm going to take the blending brush again and just kind of blend the two together, which they kind of already did that themselves, but I'm just going to do it to just add a little bit more of some blendliness to it. So now that they are blended, I'm going to take the shade Dusty Rose again, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line till about right here, and you'll see what I'm going to do next with that. So now I am going to take the shade Cinnamon and just kind of finish that out right in here. So lastly, I'm going to take the shade Cream and use this for an inner corner highlight. So that completes today's look. I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara and some liner on, and I will be right back to talk about the giveaway. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look with some mascara and some eyeliner. I just put the eyeliner on like the outer portions of my eyes, top and bottom. But here's the look. Excuse the lighting again. I'm very sorry. But I was planning on doing a giveaway video today, so I didn't want to wait. So that's it. This is the look. Let's get you a little closer. Oh, well, you can't really see closer, can you? Anyways, I hope you can get the gist of what this looks like closer. But yeah, this is the look that I did with my Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Woohoo! So yeah, do you want to know how you can win this palette? Well, I'm about to tell you. First off, you have to be subscribed to my channel, of course. So if you want to be entered, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and click it right now so you don't forget. Go ahead and leave a like on this video just to show me some love. Comment on this video. If you do not comment on this video, you won't be entered. I need to know who wants to enter, so comment on the video and you will enter. Leave either your email, your Twitter, or your Instagram handle so I can contact you if you win. Just like my other giveaway, you can have a second entry into winning the palette, and all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna have a photo of this on my Instagram, and comment and like the photo for you to be entered in. A lot of people were following me, but they weren't liking and commenting on the photo, so I couldn't give them a second entry. Those are just the rules. Whoever is in the comment section will be in the drawing. Same goes for my YouTube channel, so there's that. And just so you guys know, I do have the other palette right here. It's still in bubble wrap from whenever I got it from my Boxy Charm video. So here's the two palettes. It doesn't have a case. It didn't come with a case. I don't even know if it comes in a case, like a box, you know, like a unicarton. But here's your palette right here. I just open it so you know it's fine, not broken. And I'm gonna put it over here and not touch it again until I give it to you guys. But yeah, if you guys want to win, all you have to do is that right there. The giveaway will end in 2 weeks, so 2 weeks from today, at some point. We'll say at 2 p.m. Central Time. 2 p.m. Central Time, 2 weeks from today. What's that date? I don't know. I never pre-plan this stuff, but I will have all the information down below so you guys can, you know, remember, instead of having to remember from this video. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to recreate this look, if you know already have the palette, or if you win it, if you want to recreate it, go ahead and tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag ConnorKrystyn, ConnorKrystyn. A lot of people do spell my name wrong, even though it's spelled out right there, but it's O-R. Yeah, and unfortunately, like I said before in my other giveaway, if you follow and subscribe and then you unfollow and unsubscribe after the giveaway ends, you'll be disqualified from future giveaways, which I am keeping track. I have the apps and all that, so I know who follows me and then when people unfollow me. So I've kept a list of people that have unfollowed me, and so far only I think 3 or 4 people have done that. So if you do re-enter and you're one of those people, unfortunately you cannot enter this giveaway. Those are just my rules. Maybe they'll change in the future. So that's that. That's all I have to say. So again, don't forget to do all of these things if you want to win the palette. A few people, you know, couldn't be entered because they didn't follow the rules. Hopefully this time rules will be followed, so there's no, you know, broken hearts. But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate all of you guys' support. And that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, and good luck.